Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all shared photos in a Messenger web chat on your PC. Whether you're looking to find an old photo, or just want to check out all the images shared in a conversation, it's quick and easy to do. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to *messenger.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your conversations on the left side. Find the chat, where you want to view the shared photos. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Just click on it to open the chat. Now that you're inside the chat, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu with more options. In the menu that appears, look for the section called Media and Files. Under this, you'll see an option that says Media. Go ahead and click on Media. Once you click on Media, you'll be taken to a screen showing all the photos and videos that have been shared in this conversation. It's a great way to quickly find pictures and videos without scrolling through the entire chat history. You can scroll through the gallery and view all the images and videos that have been exchanged. It's super convenient if you need to find a specific image or just want to revisit shared memories. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all the photos and media shared in your Messenger web chat. It's a simple way to access everything without having to dig through your whole conversation. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Messenger tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.